To locate large intestine 20, find the midpoint of your left ali nasal. The ali nasal is the flare at the end of your nose. Right over here. The midpoint is right here. Now, move to the left till you come to the nasolabial groove. The nasolabial groove is that fold that runs from the side of your nose, right up here, to the corner of your mouth, down like this. This is the midpoint of the ali nasal, and this is where it intersects with the nasolabial groove. Push in to find a spot that is sensitive, sore, tender, or painful. That is large intestine 20. Activate large intestine 20 by rubbing the area quickly 5 times. Take a break for a count of 5 and repeat 4 more times. It might look like this. Or if you have a Tei Shin, it might look like this. Now find large intestine 20 on your right side and repeat.